Ever seen an LED stern light before? That's what this is. You can see all of the LEDs, light emitting diodes, those little yellow things, and it plugs into a regular light bulb socket right there. Two-prong or two-contact light bulb socket. So you can buy these at the boat store. It's got the light up at the top in case it's going into an anchor light application, and the light's 360 degrees all the way around in case it's an anchor light application. Or the same bulb will go as a stern light, where you've got the shields keeping the light facing aft, so nobody would misinterpret this for being a bow light or a masthead light. So this is what a LED headlight, anchor light, red light, green light, whatever color the shields are. This is an LED light bulb, fits in a regular socket. If you have questions about lights, anchor lights, or docking, ask Captain Chris.